Okay, good. Then, welcome again, Eugen. Apologies for the inconvenience. Let's go.
So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As we all know, DNA, every living organism on this planet has a DNA. DNA codes the majority for enzymes, so little machines inside every cell, which makes the reaction from compound to compound very energetically efficient. And as you can see behind me, the metabolism is very complex. And there is, for every reaction, there is an enzyme. And if there is an error in DNA, it usually causes a malfunction in such an enzyme, in one or many of these enzymes, which can result in cancer. And many errors in DNA can cause many malfunctions, and could cause many types of cancers, which results in many types of treatments. And treatments are expensive, as we all know. And so, however, right now there is very small possibilities for doctor to monitor the treatment in real time. So after giving a patient a dose of chemotherapy, the doctor doesn't really know what is actually happening. The only way how he finds out is using the sizing of the tumor at time, or by a positron emission tomography, which uses a radioactive glucose, to measure the uptake. And the glucose is the major energetical molecule inside the body. And what if I can tell you that there is a technique that we can use to measure the metabolism and see each reaction inside in real time. And this is called carbon-13 metabolic magnetic resonance imaging. So using a common MRI and a machine called hyperpolarizer, we are able to increase the signal of a certain molecule and inject this molecule inside the body without any harm and see this metabolism. We can locate a tumor, and we can see the treatment response immediately. So in the future, I believe that the doctor that the patient can right away go after the dosage of the chemotherapy to this machine and find out if the treatment actually works or not. And my particular research is focused on a reaction or a metabolic pathway called glutaminolysis, which is one of the most important energetical metabolic pathway next to the glycolysis. I'm searching for a molecule which is the best to imaging this molecule to see the typical cancers such as hepatocellular carcinoma or brain cancers, and image them and actually see the tumor response after treatment.